ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into my first impressions thought on the new fragrance added to the NAVITUS collection from the SHARIDA M here on YouTube. I want to give my first impressions. I know she probably want a little bit more from me, but honey, are you interested? Just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I'm going to give you my first impression thought on the new fragrance created by the SHARIDA M here on YouTube in partnership with NAVITUS, okay? We're going to get right into it. Now, I know, my sis, I know she don't, she not a fan of the first impression because she is like, for you to really, involve yourself with the fragrance, you got to wear it a time or 2 or 20.
I have one piece of advice for you. Get to know me!
I'm too excited about this, so I'm going to give y'all my first impression, and then we're going to come back and we will talk about it more if you are interested, but let's check it out, all right? So let's get right into it. Look, SHARIDA M here on YouTube. Let me tell you about her, okay? Before I get into the fragrance, I have to say, I'm gonna say, okay? To me, that sis right there, spirit is like so pure. I said it, there are some, you can tell like if a creator is real or not and what they do. But SHARIDA M, to me, she supports everyone, whether you have like high numbers in subscribers, whether you have low of the lows and you're just beginning in subscribership. Like, I appreciate her just supporting the fragrance community as a whole. I appreciate her even supporting my channel. I just got started not too long ago, so I'm a baby here in these streets, but I'm having fun. And she comes on my channel a time or two. I see her in my premieres, and she is just a great supporter, a great woman, and very knowledgeable of fragrance. I one day strive to be in all the knowledge. We still gonna kiki, but in all the knowledge of fragrances. But I truly just had to stop and say, SHARIDA M, I truly appreciate. Oh gosh, why am I hold on, Kiara, dang, why am I getting choked up? Oh, I'm so emotional. Is my period about to come on?
And I'm very emotional because when I'm around and I think I look back over my life and
so I just wanted to take the time to say, SHARIDA M, thank you for supporting everyone here in the fragrance community. Thank you, and congratulations on your new fragrance. I mean, well deserved. We are excited, and I know you are like, okay, girl, we hear you. Let's move it on. Okay, fine. Let's get into what we really came for, the first impression. So if you watched SHARIDA M when she first introduced her fragrance, she told us that her fragrance is named MAHNI CASSONADE, okay? And MAHNI is her daughter's name, which I absolutely love that she was able to put, the love of her life, a part of this beautiful collaboration with NAVITUS and Bertrand Duchefort. Like, I am so glad she was able to put her daughter, and you can tell she absolutely adores her daughter, but put her a part of this fragrance. I absolutely love that. I am a single mom over here in these streets. My business. Okay. But I love my daughter as well, and just the connection is everything. So I love that. But she told us that cassonade means brown sugar. And I said, yes, ma'am, sign me up. I mean, when she was breaking down the notes, did anybody stop at the vanilla ice cream? Or was it just me? Was it just me? Because I stopped at the vanilla ice cream. I said, I don't even care. That's what I said. I'm going to tell you what I said. I said, I don't even care. Whatever else notes, I don't care what you put the notes. You said vanilla ice cream. Who you talking to? Sign me up. And this is for the vanilla gourmand lovers. And so, all in. Okay, so I couldn't hit my coins fast enough. I couldn't. And I think it's now sold out. So, I hope you got your packaging. I was talking with my sis Chi Chi. Y'all know how I do. Welcome. I'm just gonna talk. I'm gonna be me. But I was talking with my sis Chi Chi, and she put a post or a picture up on Instagram that she just got her bottle, and I was like, "Ooh, can't wait to hear your thoughts," because I ain't getting an alert. But God works in mysterious ways, and I probably should have just waited. So as soon as I comment on her IG and her post, honey, I had a delivery at the front door, and it said, "MAHNI CASSONADE is here." And I am so excited. Let's open this up. So my sis she took a picture of this, so I was able to get a little bit of the picture. But in real life, honey, I thought this was brown. It looked a little brown. Now, it does have this ombre effect, and it looks like it goes into maybe a brown effect at the bottom. But honey, I thought this was all brown. But this is kind of like a rosy or a dark rose pink at the top, ombre to the bottom. But do you all see the glistening? Y'all see the sparkle and shine? It's because it's the vanilla gourmand, and all vanilla gourmands need to come out looking like this. It need a sparkle and shine. But maybe not a sparkle and shine in the spray. But the bottle, absolutely. Sparkle and shine. I love the packaging. Did you love packaging? Check. 100% love the packaging. 10 out of 10. Recommend. And if anyone knows NAVITUS packaging, when it comes like this, because you have this big packaging with the, it's so cute and cushiony, okay?
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
But either way, you have the note card on the side, which I do enjoy that NAVITUS does. So you can just, let's talk about the notes, right? So we have bergamot, vanilla ice cream. That's when I said who you talking to. And cashmere. I love that. So I was thinking, okay, this is what I'm thinking. Top notes, I'm thinking a little bit of like refreshingness, maybe orangeness, maybe citrusy, Then I'm going down to the vanilla ice cream. Who don't know? Now, do really vanilla ice cream have a smell? I don't even care if ice cream don't have a smell. We like the vanilla ice cream. It don't even matter. Cashmere, I'm thinking maybe a little bit of cozy. Maybe, a little bit of, cute cozy. No, sexy cozy. We'll go with sexy cozy. And then heart notes, we have brown sugar. Again, who you talking to? Toffee. Ooh, so it has like this, maybe the sticky heaviness or sweetness, like heavy sweetness. We love that. Amber wood. Okay, so it gives us a little bit of a wood sexy. Amber and wood. I mean, we're talking about the note. We're not talking about me. Okay, so amber wood. So base notes we have vanilla caviar. Ooh, so even more vanilla. Then we have crystal musk. Ooh, I like a good musk. And then we have Peruvian white amber. Yeah, so let's see what this smells like. Cause I'm ready. You ready? And because the success that this is going to have, I don't even have to smell it yet. But we had to pull out the full test strip because y'all know I be cutting it to save. I mean, who you talking to? I mean, I be saving. I don't have to be fancy. I'm just gonna save. Now, wait a minute. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute now. Now, let me tell you about this initial spray, though. I did that. Y'all saw what I did, right? And this thing went like It almost went across the page and was like, Smooth City. It was like, coming in. It didn't come like blasting you in the face like, here I am, what you want. It came in real smooth and light and fluffy and vanilla-y. Oh, I love the cat. Ooh, and cozy. So the cashmere, like I was telling, like it came in very smooth and cozy. Like it almost like hugged you.
Give me a hug, dog. I'm about to go. School, dog, school. Yeah, right there. Group up. Come on, Craig. All right, come here. Get your ass over here. Talk to you for a minute. What's up, dog? What's up, nigga?
Did you all see the reaction? Because that was, oh my goodness. What? Oh, okay. Oh, vanilla eye. Okay, let me, skin. Okay. Oh, that is so good. Oh. Okay. It make you wanna, I'm trying to be all studious. It's just not working in this fragrance. I mean, now Sharida what you trying to do to the girl is? This is so good and smooth. And you know what, that wood? I get that ambery wood.
You all are making up words. These words you've never heard. Like,
well, it's supposed to be amber wood. I said ambery. But I do get that amber wood. I get that ice cream because I feel like it's like that vanilla but a creamy. You know? Because again, like I said, I don't know if I know the note of ice cream, but who gives a care? If something got ice cream in it, sign me up now. Maybe I just need to do an ice cream video. Because maybe I need to collect all the ice cream fragrances. Just know that that's not going to be tomorrow. My coins didn't say that ice cream video was going to be tomorrow. It did not say that. But that is a thought. Wow, Sharida, this is beautiful. This is really smooth. And to me, if you love a good vanilla gourmand, this is like, to me, a great blind buy. Like, I don't know who wouldn't like this. And again, I haven't worn this all day, so we'll come back on longevity. We'll come back if I get compliments. I mean, who not gonna compliment me on no ice cream? I can tell the men folks about to compliment me on some ice cream. They like a good come on. Wow. Okay. But you know what? This is also, ooh, like I can take this into the bedroom. If I want to do a little sexy nighttime by myself.
I looked over to the left. I was looking so good I couldn't reject myself.
You know, telling all my business. But if you don't have nighttime by yourself and you have your husband, your man, your boyfriend, your girl, you can sneak this on in the bedroom. Now, if you do, okay, now, it just came to me. If you're trying to get a good gift for Christmas, right? And you didn't add it to the list, right? Because you started off with the list and you went down the list and maybe you're at 10. Maybe you're at 5, okay, on your list. Okay, because we grown. All right, fine. So maybe you're at 5 on your Christmas list, right? And you're like, but I want like this fragrance. I want this fragrance. I want this bag. I want this clothes, this boot, this shoe. And you need to add a little bit more to your list. I think if you go right on in and spray and do one of these and then easily, you know, well, I guess sexy roll in the bed. Well, no, because you don't want to try it too hard because you really want it to be on the list. So don't try it too hard. So just maybe like, you know, slightly roll in the bed. You know, like, you know, get in the bed, you know, sit first and then kind of roll over. And then, you know, when that smell comes because, oh, they're going to smell it. Whoever you love is going to smell it. Then you can whisper in their ear what you want left on your Christmas list. I got you. Don't worry about it. Your sis always got you. I told you. That's what we're gonna call this. Not what we gonna call this on the MAHNI CASSONADE, named after her daughter. But it can work for anybody. We gonna call this the Christmas list adder. Okay? Like, it will add additional items to your Christmas list. Or do we want to call it the closer? You let me know. Comment down below. All right? Moving on. Well, that is all. That is all, family, for my first impression. When I say packaging, 10 out of 10. Smell, again, if you like a vanilla gourmand, I really can't see you not liking this. And again, it comes on smooth. So this is not like, to me, this is not like something like, yes, I'm in the room and get me in there. Like, this comes smooth and is still a killer. Okay? Let me know your thoughts. I hope you all picked this up while it was available. I'm sure, down the line it's going to re-up. So when you do see it available again, don't pass go. If you like a good vanilla gourmand, yeah, she gonna help you out a lot. So make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. Would love your thoughts on this new fragrance. We'll come back a time or two or 20 and we'll talk more about it, okay? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.